In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful, this is Mavish Rana once again with you with another interesting topic. I hope you are guys doing good and learning something from my lectures. And today I will talk about future simple tense. You know very well that nowadays I'm just giving you the lectures on the tenses. In my previous videos, I have discussed present and past tenses. Now it's I'm moving to our future simple tense. My lectures are very comprehensive and concise content for you guys to make sentences easy. So if you are, learning something from my videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insights, and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. So let's talk about future simple. Let's look at when we use the future simple. When do we use will and when shall? We all have some confusion while using will or shall. So I will tell you step by step. When do we use the future simple and when we going to how to make sentences in the future simple, and at the end I will talk about time expressions. Here is a function. When do we use the future simple? Someone at the door, I will open it. Or did you call Mark? Oh no, I forgot, I will call him now. We use the future simple when we use just decided to do something. It's on the spot decision. Now let's talk about the function. When do we use the future simple? The bags look heavily, help you to carry them. When we offer to do something, can you help me with it? Sure, I will help you. When we agree to do something, I will call you as soon as I get home, I promise. When we promise to do something, that is all about future. And there are the situations, and there are some functions that are necessary or mandatory to understand. When do we use the future simple? I think I will pass the test. Like with opinions, hopes, fears, especially with the think, expect, suppose, and imagine. You know, think, suppose, and imagine. All these concepts belongs to future. So how we can use correct form of verbs to construct sentences in future simple. When do we use the future simple? Perhaps it will rain tomorrow. When we predict the future but it is not certain whether something will happen. When do we use shall? Shall I open the window? Shall we go? Shall I get you some coffee? To ask if it's okay to do something or to ask for suggestion. We normally use shall with I, and but in spoken English, we rather use I will and wow. When do we use will and when we going to? Let's have a party. Great. We will invite lots of people. We use will to announce a new idea. And we ran out of milk. I know I'm going to get some on my way home. We use be going to when we have already decided to do something. When do we use will and when we going to? I will wash my hands on the spot decision. He's going to take his driving license test in next week. Plan actions. When do we use will and where when we going to? I think the weather will be nice tomorrow. When we predict the future, but it's not certain. She's going to have a baby when there is evidence that she will definitely happen. Now I'm going to discuss that is very important. That is how do we make positive sentences in the future simple. So here is a pattern. Here is a structure. Subject is I, he, she, it, we, you, and they. We use will, and then infinitive. They will arrive here soon. So this is the structure of positive structure of future indefinite or future simple tense. How do we make negative sentences in the future simple? Simply, we will use or we will add not. All the structure will be the same like positive. Subject I, he, she, it, we, you, they, and will plus not, and then infinitive. We won't pump. So here is how do we make questions in the future simple. Will in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, and then infinitive, and question mark. Like will you marry me? Will she answer? So this is the pattern of question pattern of future simple tense. I hope this video was very simple and concise concept, and I have a very simple and concise content for you guys, and I hope you will like this video. Once again, I am saying to you, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insights, and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. Always be optimistic, believe in yourself. Inshallah, we will meet in next video with another interesting topic. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.